I'm here to announce that we filed our papers, we paid the county our money, we filed our signatures. We are now officially on the candidate rolls. The platform pretty much is going to be take back our community, public safety. I happened to visit down in Garberville the other day. It turns out there's 50 to 150 people who have just filtered in. They've taken over the town kind of like the wild ones with Marlon Brando, but they don't have their motorbikes with them. They sleep on the roofs of the buildings there. 50 of them congregate out at night in front of the church. They urinate in front of the church. They drugs in front of the church. Any families that are walking by, they harass and intimidate. So the folks in Garberville are pretty much being held prisoner by a mob. There's only 2 law enforcement officers out there. Sometimes they have to go to Shelter Cove. That means there's no law enforcement officers out there. The other thing I'd like to talk about in terms of taking back our community and public safety is I'm going to form a committee, an outreach committee. It's going to be combined with citizens and law enforcement. It's going to be called CAML, C-A-M-L, Citizens Against Meth Labs. We're going to find them, we're going to put them out of business, and we're going to prosecute them to the fullest extent of the law. Again, thank you for coming out here. If there's anybody who has any questions, take 1 or 2. Yes.
Is there going to be any type of debate or public forum? When are the candidates all going to exchange viewpoints and ideas?
Yes, there's going to be several debates. The first one coming up Thursday at 7 o'clock at the Veterans Building. It's going to be thrown by the Tea Party. All 4 candidates will be there. I urge everybody to attend, listen intently, and then make up your own mind who you wish to get behind.
Do you want to comment a little bit about violence in our community, violence in Arcata? As DA, what are you going to do about the situation with the violence on the streets? People can't walk down the street these days without having to worry about being attacked.
Again, it's take back our community. They only have 7 or 8 prosecutors up there. I'm not going to waste our time going after petty crimes, drunk in public, petty theft. With the 7 or 8 DAs that the Board of Supervisors have given me, I'm going to go after murder, rape, robbery, arson, and I am not going to plea bargain them down. And if anybody's killed, I guarantee you I won't offer that case away for 2 years. Anybody else, or you'd all like to get home with your families? Thanks again for coming.